Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Teresa Andrani as moderator of English debate today. First, honorable and educators and participants that attend in the classroom. Today's debate will bring up a motion about social media, its impact for students. Okay, we already have the government team and opposition team, so we will proceed to the debate. For the first speaker of government team, please stand up.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have a very special debate today. Today's debate will bring up a motion about social media and its impact social media for students. Introduce me Septina as the first speaker of the government team. The second speaker is Ria and the speaker is Saira. So, we shall proceed to the debate. Let me come to my first argument based on our observation and facts. First, I want to explain about social media. Social media is an interactive technology that allows the present or exchange of information, ideas, interests, and forms of expression through virtual communication and networks. Social media plays a key role in everyone's life. Students also use social media extensively, while there is common perception that students will use spending a lot of time on social media. Social media can be used for many benefits. The government team believes that social media has a positive impact on students, no thanks, and also provide many benefits for students, such as, first, it can make it easier for students to access various information, especially regarding the world of education and health.
POI, please.
Yes.
Hello, first I want to introduce my team as negative team. My name is Avila as the first speaker of this team, and this is Mawar as the second speaker, and the last is Chichi as the third speaker. Okay, so I just want to say that I disagree with your opinion because in my opinion, online learning that we usually call as daring actually makes students even more lazy.
POI, I disagree with your opinion, but it's true. Social media can make students lazy or lazy in using social media. But thanks to social media, we can find our careers to think about world of education around the world.
I think so, because in general there are bad impulses. Well, back to yourself if you're wise in using social media. Just a light bulb if you overdo it also no good.
POI, please.
Yes.
I disagree about that because these days students tend to lose their concentration on study and instead enjoy browsing on social media. All of this always to waste this time without getting anything from it. Students are often incapable of studying their work in special time way because they are more concentrated on applying social media platforms.
POI, please. I'm not sure if you say that, but it's not true. Because when we do browsing, indirectly we will get a lot of information. And also in today's era, social media also provide books in online form so that there are no more reasons for students to be lazy to read or not have books.
Okay, I will be back to my topic. Second, being able to communicate with distant family using social media such as WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on.
POI, please.
Yes.
No, I know about it. Actually, social media can make face-to-face interactions have decreased dramatically and can make people far away from real life because it prioritizes people in cyberspace. And because of it, manner and ethics are no longer considered due to lack of education due to playing social media for too long, so that we no longer think about the people around us.
POI, please. I'm not sure if you say that. But it's not true. Social media make us unable to meet in person. But in my opinion, the thanks to social media we can interact with friends in different continents.
POI, please. It's good that we can communicate with friends different continents, but it can make we become less communicable in the real world. Social media makes we more selfish or individualistic. We do not realize that we have to empathize and communicate with the other people in the real world.
POI, please. Social media is an online media that easy to access and user can easily interact, participate, share, and express their thoughts. Social media is a technological development that has a great influence to providing the ease of communication and socializing.
Okay, I will be back to my topic. Third, can develop skills and can help in self-expression.
POI, please.
Yes.
I'm not sure if you say that. Because in social media for education, for example, is YouTube. There are lots of YouTube videos that contain pornography and psychopathic, which can be accessed freely, and students can be easily contaminated.
POI, please. Social media helps in teaching creative skills in children by allowing them to learn and learn skills by using by themselves. And like quite often students hide themselves people when he or she start to take pictures and use online editing skills and for make it look aesthetically appealing. A lot of youngsters are also engaged by creating videos for YouTube. Then a lot of students have interesting hobbies that they post online their video and photograph which help them to realize their potential for many careers. Then social media used in any classroom can be a great source of education which never inspire students to obtain knowledge. Social media platforms help in improving one's social skills, writing skills, which help in achieving one's education pursuits.
Okay, I will be back to my topic. Fourth, you can expand your network of friends, such as finding new friends or old friends who have been spirited.
POI, please.
Yes.
With the type of form of friendship in the concept of cybercrime, we must also be aware of whether the person is good or not. Have to be careful again because in this modern era, there are many frauds and cybercrime.
I think so, and yes. I really wonder if you realize that actually social media can bring us to with free, weird, and dangerous people who can annoy us with all their actions. For example, social media is a fertile field for cybercrime, where social media is a public place that's used by all age. This is very influential in school teenagers who are still relatively unstable and easy to deceive.
Social media also provides its own convenience for teenagers and especially provide interesting related personal health. Currently, there are many who provide interesting information about illness, such as sexually transmitted infection, how to deal with stress, and sign of someone experiencing depression and other things. But many students also use social media as their play to earn money and also make them individuals.
Yes. I disagree about that, because we as students must not to think about earn money, but we as students have to study, working, and with just assessment.
POI, please. I don't agree with you because I think if we can learn while making money without disturbing our education, it will be a matter of pride for us personally.
I will be the next topic. Give more or less more education about technology.
You like this? Yes. Studying technology and networking, it's true that we can access ourselves to Google phones, but it's always better to practice and learn at school, and then they can only are able to get social media in expressing their doubts. And when in the real world they are down, it's real that communicating how social media will make rare for their interaction by family.
May I please? I disagree with you guys. In my opinion, in the current pandemic era, it's very difficult to learn about it because we only have a short time to learn to discuss our lesson. Then, because I think in the current pandemic era too, it's very difficult for us to meet face to face. It will be so the only way to use social media as another way to touch with family. Any option?
Okay, in conclusion, this debate shows that social media is an technology that has a positive effect on students, such as first, it can make it easier for students to access various information, especially regarding to what education and health. Second, being able to communicate with distant family using social media. Third, can learn skills and can help in self-expression. Fourth, you can expect your network friends. And last, fifth, more education about technology. So, social media have to positively affect student interaction.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's now my pleasure to summarize today's debate. Based on what both sides have said, it can be concluded that outcome for this debate is media social have positive and negative impact for students. Impact positive is that it makes it easier for students to get the latest information. Impact negative in media social is can make people go away from real life because it prioritizing people in cyberspace and social media makes students even more lazy. Thanks for your attention. See you again.